Hi guys, in this tutorial, we will tell you how to add review feature to your app. With review page in your app, you can gain customers, view for your business products and services, and improvise accordingly. Now let's get started. Enter your business name and click on next. As per your business name, the owl will suggest you some specific categories. If you can't find the appropriate category, click on view more categories. Here you will see all the categories. Choose the one that best suits your business. Once done, click on next. Now select an app design as per your choice and click on next. Now let's add the page. Click on view all here and search review. Click on the page to add it. Here's your review page name. If you want, you can change it. From here you can change the page icon. If you want, you can select a solid outline icon or image from our library or upload your own custom icon image from this section. Now let's move to content section. Here you will see two methods, review and Yelp. Click on review to add it. In the form name, you can enter your desired name. In the email notification field, enter the email address on which you want to receive notification. Now enter the email subject here. In the language settings section, you will see all of the alert messages appearing in your review page. If you want, you can change them. Now let's add Yelp review feature. Enter your business name here. From here, you can change Yelp review menu icon. If you want, you can select icon from our library or upload your own custom icon. Now enter your Yelp profile URL here. Click on add more to add multiple Yelp profiles. From here, you can delete the Yelp profiles. Next comes page style and color scheme. From here, you can change the page background. If you want, you can select a background image or solid color from our library or upload your own custom background image. If that's not enough, you can also upload different custom images for both portrait and landscape mode for use of the same for both modes. If you want, you can also change the page layout from here. Once you are done, click on Save and Continue. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.